Crypto, crypto, crypto. What do you really know about crypto? Is it a currency? Is it a commodity? Have they been lying to you? Is it a scam? Well, if you want to know, I'm going to tell you what you need to know. So, I just finished reading two books about crypto: The Age of Cryptocurrency and Easy Money. And as a wise man once said, there's three sides to a coin: heads, tails, and the edge. So it's always best to stand on the edge and observe both sides so that you can get your perspective. So one book is for crypto and the other book is against it. So in the age of cryptocurrency, they talk about all of the pros of cryptocurrency, and it differentiates Bitcoin as a currency as well as the technology. In the age of cryptocurrency, they mention the fact that Bitcoin may not become an actual currency due to the fact that it can only process about 7 transactions at a time. And we already have payment processors like Visa and MasterCard that can process thousands of transactions at a time. But they mention Ripple as a feasible alternative because Ripple can process a lot more transaction and it uses a lot less energy. But the thing is, Ripple is a little bit different because it's a private company and it wouldn't be decentralized. So they're not necessarily fulfilling all of the things that Bitcoin promised to fulfill. However, they are making a push towards becoming an actual digital currency. On the other hand, in easy money, they're saying that cryptocurrency is a flat out scam. And a lot of them are just Ponzi schemes. But something very interesting was mentioned in that book. The author of the book interviewed one of the people that are high up in the crypto realm. I don't remember his name at the moment. And he asked the guy, how much of the money that's invested in crypto is actual legitimate money? And he didn't think that the guy would really answer the question, but he said about 10 to 15%. So that means that only 10 to 15% of all of the funds that you see in crypto is real hard earned cash. The rest of it is just digits on the screen. So it sounds like they're doing something funny, but it all makes sense because not everyone invests their capital in crypto. A lot of people actually mine the coins, but that's not actually funds going into the market. That's just people creating a coin out of thin air. So they're basically turning nothing into something and then trading it for your capital if you're one of those people that actually invested their hard-earned cash into the market. So they literally sold you air and they don't even care. According to the SEC's website, there are 7 red flags when it comes to Ponzi scheme. Number 1, high returns with little or no risk. Number 2, overly consistent returns. Number 3, unregistered investments. Number 4, unlicensed sellers. Number 5, secretive complex strategies. Number 6, issues with paperwork. Number 7, difficulty receiving payments. Speaking of that, FTX was the 3rd largest cryptocurrency exchange, and they filed bankruptcy because they weren't allowing their customers to withdraw funds from their account. They actually removed the option. So that was tons of funds down the drain. And who feels the pain? The small guy. And to be honest with you, after I read The Age of Cryptocurrency, it had me thinking crypto, 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 because they were talking about how it's not really the currency, it's the technology behind the currency that's what's going to revolutionize everything, like autonomous driving and NFCs, the way that you're able to tap someone's phone against your phone and send information, and all of the benefits of a decentralized ledger, as well as a few other things. But when I read Easy Money, it kind of like debunked all of those ideas. It didn't really say much about the autonomous vehicles, but they're saying that this technology is much older than Bitcoin, and basically saying that we could have gotten here without all of the fraud and scamming that has been going on. but everything happens for a reason. So there's probably a reason for this season. And what I'd really like to know is, what do you think? Is cryptocurrency a scam, or is it the future? Let me know in the comments below, because it's about that time. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post.